That's it, friend.
Hey guys, it's NGT TV. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to double your Wi-Fi speed with proof. So first you need to know the system of internet, how internet works. So if most of you doesn't know, you can just Google search it, how Wi-Fi works, and if you know, I'll show you how to do it. So the first thing that you need to do is type in your default gateway. You need to know your default gateway. If you don't know your default gateway, you can just go on to Google and look for default gateway. So I'll show you how the default gateway looks like. So it is actually a number. I'll show you 192.168.0.0.1. So this is the default gateway for me. It may be different for you, but usually this is what it is used for most of the routers. So this is my default gateway. You can search yours just like this. Go into Google and type in my default gateway IP. You can look for your default gateway, for example 192.168.11. you can search it in your Google or anywhere. So the next thing that you need to do is you need to visit the website. After you know your default gateway, you need to type that in the bar and visit. So this will take you to your router website. As you guys can see, it says 300M wireless and router. That is the model for me. That is the model router for me. It will be different for you. After you enter your default gateway, it will take you to your router website. So once you are here, you will see all the status and everything. So as you can see, all the information about your connection here, the LAN and the wireless connection settings and everything, and the WN settings. It has something to do with your wireless connection or wired connection. If you have a wired connection, you can go ahead and search for wired connection. It will be available there, but since mine is wireless connection, it is showing wireless. If it is wired connection for you, it will show wired. You don't need to worry about that. So I'll show you how it actually works. So as you can see here in the wireless, below the wireless, you can see the wireless radio and the name and everything. Here are the two things that you need to keep in mind for this thing that I'm teaching you. So the first thing is that mode, and the second thing is channel width. So as you can see, my mode is 11G only and my channel width is 20 MHz. So this is what changes, and this changes the range of your internet speed. So your internet speed is basically depends on these two things. So if you change these two things, your internet speed will also be affected. So but before you change these two settings, you need to make sure if you're going to do the right setting or the wrong settings. So I'll show you how to know if that's the right setting or the wrong setting. So the mode is actually based on the channel width. If your channel width is higher, your mode will be bigger, and if your channel width is smaller, your mode will be smaller. That's just vice versa. So for me here, my mode width is 11G only. That's what I'm using now. I can change this, and my channel width is 20 MHz. According to my channel width, I'm using the 11G only. So yes, I can change the mode. If I change the channel width, my internet connection will block, it will break. So I recommend you guys not to change your channel width. If you change your channel width, your internet connection will break down, so you will lose your connection. So never change your channel width. We have something to do with the mode here, so I'll show you how it's done. If you see on the left side, you'll see a lot of options here, like status, quick setup, WPS, network, wireless, forwarding, security and everything. I want you to open the wireless. If you go into the wireless, you will see a bunch of options will come up: wireless settings, wireless security, wireless MAC filtering, wireless advanced, and wireless statistics. So if you look up here, wireless settings. I want you to go here, and then wireless settings will come up. It will show your wireless network name, the region, more channel width and everything. So here is the main thing that you need to focus on. So if you can see, my mode is 11G only and my channel width is 20 MHz. Wait, let me show you a sample of my current internet speed. So if you go into the Google and type in my test my speed, test my speed. If you type this in Google, I'll show you a website which tells you your current internet speed. So as you can see, my internet speed is slow right now. So yes, I need you to open this speed test by Okala. So if you open the website, you'll see the test will begin. It will trap your IP address and everything, so it will know where you are locating and where you are living right now. So you have to begin the test. I'll show you my current speed first. So begin test, selecting the best server based on the ping. So yeah, it will first calculate your ping, and then based on that it will calculate your download and upload speed. So as you can see, my ping is pretty low, that's good, and my download speed is okay. Actually, my internet speed is not too slow, it is not too fast, it is okay, it is medium, but I'll show you a way how to double it. So as you can see, my download speed is 13.74 Mbps and my upload speed is, I guess it will range between 5 or 6. Yeah, 5.48. Now as a proof, I'll keep this result and I'll show you what happens if I change the mode. So yeah, now we have the work thing. This is what you need to work on. So you need to change your mode. Like if you can see, wait, if I change my mode to 11 BGN mixed, I have an option of 40 MHz, but I do not need to change it. If I change it, my internet will break down, and that's not what we are going to do. If we break down, we just mess up our connection. So you don't need to do that. Based on your channel width, you need to change your mode. So for me, I can change my mode to 11 BGN mixed and it will still stay 20 MHz, and that's what I need. I need to keep my channel width to the same as it is, and I need to change my mode to increase this internet speed. So as you see, before my mode was 11G only, and now I'm changing it to 11 BGN mixed because my channel width is capable of that mode. I can go up to that. So here it is. I changed my mode to 11 BGN mixed, and now I'll save it. Once the setting is saved, we'll check the speed again. So yeah, as you can see, the internet mode has been changed. We'll check now. If you go back to the wireless settings, you will see it's changed. It's 11 BGN mixed now. So once as you can see, it is changed. Now we will test our speed. So you can test again. Let's see the magic. Ping. As you already can see, the ping is higher than before it was, and you can also see the difference in the download speed. The download speed used to be, I guess it was 13, right? Yes, it was 13, and now it's 18.44. So you know it works, right? And the upload speed might be same as it used to be, but you have a huge difference in the download speed, and that's what you need. So yeah, upload speed is almost same, but you have increased your download speed to almost double of it. So yeah, that's a great thing. Here are the proofs that it actually works. It is actually a technical way of increasing your speed. It is not a trick or something.